over for the tour. How do you feel?
Yeah, it was pretty good. We got the win. Good job by the boys.
Mate, first game over for the tour. How do you feel afterwards?
A bit sore, sorry, but it was hot and we got the job done in the end.
Lots of men playing today and a lot of friendly crowd. How are you enjoying the atmosphere?
Yeah, no, it's really good. Probably one of the best experiences ever I've had. Yeah.
What do you think it's going to be like this weekend playing in front of maybe 12,000 people?
This should be pretty hectic, but just focus on the football. We'll be right. We'll get the job done.
Hey, first game down, what did you make of it?
Yeah, no, it was good. Good experience to get out there. Both the small boys. Yeah, no, it was good to get out there. A bit hot though.
How can you describe what the atmosphere was like with the music playing and people?
Yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking at the start, then when you get into it, just normal. Just think about the footing, you've got the job done. It's alright.
What do you think of the opposition out there?
Yeah, no, they were tough. They were tough in the first couple of minutes, but we just kept rolling, just kept playing our sets and we get into our kick, and then we just got on top of them at the end of the game.
What do people really impressed?
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, I haven't really played like this before, so.
And what does it mean to you to represent the country jersey?
This is like the furthest we can get where we live, so it's really, really good. Good travel overseas.
Just last year, you're looking forward to the big game on Saturday, maybe in front of 12,000 people?
Yeah, can't wait. Haven't really played in front of that many people, and to be the curtain raiser for the first Samoan game is going to be amazing, so yeah.